God will work things out for your good. Hi there, kumusta ka? Napapagod ka na rin bang mag-isip kung kailan ba matatapos lahat ng 'to? Paano ba matatapos lahat ng 'to? But today, I'd like to encourage you. God will work things out for your good. Maybe you've been doing everything right. You're praying every day, you keep the faith, you're fasting, you're working hard, yet it seems like things are still falling apart. But may you be lovingly reminded again today, God is not yet finished with your story. What looks like a delay is actually a divine preparation for the great things He has prepared for you. As the Bible says, all things work together for good to those who love God. So kahit parang ang gulo ng sitwasyon ngayon, keep the faith that God is still aligning the best plans for your life. He is making a way when there seems to be no way. He is preparing the best path for you. The pain, yung mga closed doors, yung waiting season, none of these are wasted because God can always turn your breakdown into breakthrough. Hindi man natin nakikita ngayon, pero in God's perfect timing, we will all say, kaya pala. Salamat, Panginoon. Kaya kapit lang tayo, dasal pa tayo. He is working it out for your good and all for His glory. And in His perfect timing, makikita natin ang kamangha-manghang bagay na ginagawa ng Diyos sa sitwasyon natin ngayon.